Hello. In this tutorial for the Codeorg App Lab environment and JavaScript, we're going to learn about the difference between using a single equal sign, a double equal sign, and a triple equal sign. Like in most language, a single equal sign is used as an assignment operator. So if we want to set a value to a variable, we use a single equal sign. So let's declare a variable, a, set it equal to 15. Now we're going to declare another variable, b, and set it equal to 15 also. Now we're going to set a variable c, but we're going to set it equal to quote-unquote 15. So the value here is the same, but the data type is different. So this is a number data type, and this is a string data type. And those quotation marks tell us a string. And a string means we're treating these as text, not as numbers, as text. So now let's examine what the double equal sign and the triple equal sign do. Double equal sign and triple equal sign are part of a Boolean expression where we can be testing equality. So let's write a if statement. We're going to say a double equals b. Then we're going to say if that's true, we're going to say write true. And we're going to say else write false. What the double equal sign does is it checks if the value of a and b are the same. So let's run it. We're going to see a and b are the same, so it says true. Now let's compare a and c. Let's reset it, run it again. And it's also giving us true, because a and c have the same value. Now they have a different data type, but for double equals, it's only checking the value and comparing those. Now let's try doing it using triple equals. So let's start with a equals b. So what triple equals does is it checks is the value the same and is the data type the same. So with a and b, the value is the same and the data type is the same. So this is going to give us true. Now let's try a equals c. So we compare a and c. Now the value is the same, but the data type is different. So this is going to give us a false. And there we go, false. Let's try one more. Let's say var d equals quote-unquote hello. And we're going to compare a and d, and we'll use double equal sign. So in this case, it's false because a and d are a different value. Now double equal sign isn't checking the data type, and they are a different data type, but that doesn't matter for double equals. Now let's change b to 20. So we're going to compare a equals b. Now these are different values, but they're the same data type. So a double equals b is checking, are they just the same value? And they're not, so it's going to go to false. And there we go, it goes to false. So single equal sign, assignment operator. Double equal sign compares the variable values, but not the data type. And triple equals compares the value and the data type.